Boys, what up? I'm just gonna say right now, it's gonna be like lately edited, this video. Emergency vet appointment just happened. I gotta go pick up my dog. It's making me sad because my other dog just died. Speak my mind in like the next little bit. So editing, I'm not gonna have time for it if I want to get this video up today, but I can still talk my mind and do my thing. It's just not gonna be zoom ins and zoom outs that we usually do, which is cool, which is also means I'm just gonna say everything, and I'm probably gonna say some bad stuff that I usually do, and I'm probably not gonna cut it out because I'm gonna forget. Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. I'm a little stressed, but it's gonna be alright. Alright, boys, so I'm gonna say this right now. This is one video that I actually wanted to edit really well, you know what I mean? Because as you can see by the title, Kanye West. Kanye West's new album came out, and when that happens, I gotta put out a video, because like search terms, you guys know I'm gonna be real with you. Search terms of Kanye's happening, therefore somebody might come across this video. Oh yeah, the reason I'm not mad that we're not editing this video is because I listened to the damn album today, boys. Not gonna lie, like halfway through, I didn't have much time. I don't like it that much. I heard like one or two songs where I'm like, this like bops a little bit, but the rest of it, all I heard is but like not that, just his singing was weird. I know I'm gonna piss off a lot of people, especially this is not strategy what you're doing, Brandon. I'm making a Kanye video, people that are gonna click are fans, but anyway, I don't really dig it. Leave comments down below of what you guys thought about it. Also, thumbs up and comments are so appreciated, boys. You know what? We're gonna one take this. We never do that. I always put in some editing, and then I tell myself, I always edit, and then I tell myself in these situations where I don't have a lot of time that I'm not gonna edit, but I still end up editing. One take, boys. You can work with the mind of Brand. You guys, you usually cut out all the stuff that goes on the side. We're gonna make this a game now. How many stupid things can Brand say? I'm gonna promise you I'm not gonna cut anything out, even if it's really bad. I'm not gonna cut it out, boys. Although I breathe a lot, boy. Kanye West, I bought the cheapest items from Kanye West on the internet. I was searching through it, why? Because I think that's fun. I was searching through everywhere, Wish, blah, 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 blah. What I actually found was the cheapest because I get free shipping from it, is Amazon Prime. I bought all this from Amazon. It's the cheapest stuff from Kanye sneakers, which are probably gonna be fake. I wanna say right now, I don't promote fake sneakers. I'm hopefully, if my dog's okay, gonna have a bonfire tonight with my girlfriend, and I will burn it, I promise you that, but this is content for your guys' entertainment. So we got sneakers from Kanye, from Amazon. We got a bunch of like hoodies and stuff like that. I spent 150 bucks on all of this, boys. And yeah, we're just gonna see what the cheapest Kanye West items are on the internet, because I thought that was fun until I listened to the album once again. What a bummer. Awful. Now I'm gonna cut off the camera so I can get to this next part. Still no edits though, boys, don't worry. Thumbs up and comment down below, please. It really helps the channel so much. I mean, we're on kind of a downfall right now because my mental is not so great. You know, I have massive anxiety. I've quit drinking for the most part, like once a week, which is really good. But other than that, it's a bummer, man. It's a bummer. I just can't get myself to film, and it's my fault that it's the views are falling. But if you guys help, that would be great. We're 3 minutes in. All right, let's get it. This is gonna be a long video. Cool. No edits from Brand. Yeah, until I cut off the camera, but I'll start right back up. Okay. We got boxes on boxes. Please don't show my address because you guys send me dilds. Another thing that I had in mind with this no, edit video, which sounds so lame. I'm a YouTuber. I should edit, but I gotta get this video up for you guys, is I'm a swearer, bro. Like, I know I'm gonna say shit at least, okay. There we go. At least once in this video. I can't cut it up. I already told you. This is already going to be demonetized. Anyway, let's see what the first one is. We're wasting time. Cheapest stuff. 150 bucks. As I said. Oh! I forgot I got jewelry. So Kanye West, I said I can't edit, so it doesn't even matter. Anyway, this was a stupid amount of money. I think it was like 15 bucks. I was looking for, because we do jewelry on this channel a lot, I was looking for what kind of jewelry he wears, and I came across, he had like a jewelry something that he put out, like some sort of jewelry line, which had medallions of like women on it. So I went on Amazon and searched up jewelry medallion. None of them looked sick, nothing that I wanted to wear, because if I'm gonna buy it for this video, I want to wear it, until I found this. Pirates of the frickin' Caribbean, boys, let's go. It's a medallion, in fact. That's what I'm gonna put it on right now. I think this is hilarious, and I'm definitely gonna wear it out whenever I go out next. Just as a little goof. Oh, that's awesome. Anyway, it's the only jewelry I can find of like Kanye wearing stuff. He doesn't usually wear a lot of jewelry. Next up, the hoodies are gonna be fake, bro. I love the actual I don't like wearing fake things of people, nor do I support it if they're putting out like their shoes, for example, or their hoodies. I don't want to buy the fake stuff. I want to support them and buy the real. Once again, I'm burning all this later, don't you worry. Or I can give it away to you guys. I'll probably actually do that. 5,972 comments down below. No, okay, no, that's stupid. This is usually what I cut out. 700 thumbs up within the day. I'm send off all of this to one person. How's that sound? Next up I found, can't remember how much it was, but it was Amazon. It was cheap. I think it was like $5. We got Kanye's little bear. He's stoned as a motherfucker. I almost cut myself off there. I did cut myself off. Boys, this is how my mind thinks. It's really crazy. This is why I heavily edit my videos, and it takes me hours because I have these talks with you guys every video, and then I'm like, this is lame. I should cut this out because I'm wasting your time. But I'm not today because I gotta go. Oh, this is the one I was stoked for. I want the real version of it. It can't be real. It's freaking Amazon. They don't have prices, but I remember this thing was like mad cheap. I think I spent $200 on this video. I can't really remember. Dude, is this not sick? Is this not sick? You guys know I love UFOs. You know, I've told you that. I love the Sasquatch. You guys can see right here how much I love the Sasquatch. I have a replica footprint of one that I spent way too much money on. It's crazy. What comes with Sasquatch and UFOs, boys? Right now, go hookers. No, just kidding. Ghosts. And this one says, I see... Oh, frick. Lucky me, I see ghosts. It's like ghosts on it, and I thought, dude, that was so sick. So we got that one right there. Amazon, do not promote it. Oh, it says something on the back. Oh, it's part of Camp Flogna. That's Tyler the Creator right there. Boys, don't promote this. Now I'm thinking this is like kind of promoting it, but it's not. It's content. This is kind of sick. I want to buy the real one. Very good quality, but I don't recommend doing that. See, this is when I edit out the part of me actually liking the fake things that I'm getting, but I'm not going to wear it. Really good quality. It's going to one of you guys, bro. Alright, next, we got another box. Cheapest Kanye West items. Boys, my head's through the roof right now with stress. I just hope my puppy's okay. We might have to do some sort of surgery with her that is like quite... It's like either we do it and she's like... Or no, either we don't do it and she's not good, or we do it and there's a chance that like we have to put her down type stuff. So inevitably we're gonna have to do the surgery. As long as we, like as much as we put it off, you know, it's gonna be worse for her. So it's just kind of a hard decision. We're getting her another little checkup because it's gotten worse. But anyway, I don't know if you guys, you idiot! Okay, well I bought you, God, you idiot! I thought this was gonna be the shoes I bought, bro. I don't even know what's in that now. I got toddler size. That's why they were so cheap. We got the Yeezy 350s, boys. V2. I think these are the V2s. I don't even... Oh, I'm mad. I really wanted that for a thumbnail. Oh, damn it. Anyway, we got Yeezys. Those were cheap, as you can see. Not real. You guys just look at the Boost right here, boys. Boost does not feel like that. I used to legit check Yeezys quite well. I've had 30-something in my lifetime, if you guys know that. I've done sneaker reviews way back. I've had 30-something legit Yeezys that we've done videos on, and I've handled. Those are bad. What are they saying them? Daddy? Oh no, Day Clay. It's like Dick Clay. Can't say that, brand. Next up, boys, hopefully you dig me just being off the filter right now. We got, that says Nagri. Nag me. That I should say that to that should be what my girlfriend, I should give that to my girlfriend. Hey, here's a card next time you want to nag me. Stupid. Anyway, oh yeah, I like this one too. I want the styles. I don't know if you actually put this one out per se. Okay, that's upside down. I'm not necessarily a religious person. It says Holy Spirit, boys. I mean, I'm not religious myself. If you are, that's super dope. But I think it looks super sick. And on the back, yeah, I remember seeing this online. It says Sunday service. I think it was super sick styles. This kind of reminds me of, I think, like the collection he put out, like with X. I think that's factual. He put something out like that, but not this one. Super sick. Fake. So we're gonna burn. Oh wait, no, we're not burning it anymore. I gotta give it to you guys. I'm gonna put these down. I was almost gonna freaking burn it on camera, but next up we got one more box. I don't remember what I bought. We're running out. Fudge. We're running out of time. Fuck. Running out of time. Gah! I can't swear. I gotta get to my dog. And the thumbnail's gonna. Yeah, wait, what did I get? Oh, I got another pair of shoes! Totally. I ordered this stuff so long ago. Kanye's been freaking postponing his album so much, so I've had this just sitting here. I couldn't remember really what I bought. Oh, yeah. See, I've actually owned the real pair of these. These are the. I mean, I wouldn't say they're fake, but like nothing's fake here because it doesn't say Kanye on it. His tags aren't. Oh, I think that hoodie's kind of a stretch. That might be a little fake. These don't say Yeezy. You know what I mean? They're definitely copying the style. These right here, it's kind of a slide he put out. I've done a custom with these before. Oh, did I? I don't know. I probably burnt them, blew them up. That's what I used to do, and I'm actually going to get back to that if you guys want to see more of those sneaker videos. This is kind of bringing me back into the streetwear style and stuff like that, which I really dig. I used to do everything crazy, bro. I created the deep fry Yeezy, bro. I created the Yeezys with the Slurpee machine at 7-Eleven. You've seen me before, maybe. I'm trying to act cocky, but I'm very not. Anyway, that was like stupid, bad. Was that it? Stupid. That was dumb. I like that hoodie a lot. Yeah, these are crap. All from Amazon, boys. Kanye's, I'd try harder if Kanye's album actually impressed me, but it didn't, so what does that mean? Nothing. I suck as it is. Bye. Appreciate you for watching. Long video. Good job, Brandon. I'm going to want to edit all this out, but I don't have time. Off to my dog. Love you guys. Thumbs up. Bye. Alright boys, just finished the thumbnail. Once again, I want to apologize for the lack of editing. I know that's like just super weird for me to do and stuff like that, but I really got a tip. The most time I need to spend is on the thumbnail. Hope you guys forgive me. You know, back with another video. Stressed out with belief, without belief. I don't know. I can't even think right now, man. I'm so stressed. Okay, bye.